night. I just love Whole Foods. It was my first time ever at this location because this got built when I lived in South Carolina, so I never got to go. And I've got all my stuff in the back on the floor, and I'm actually gonna eat lunch really quick because I have an hour drive home. This is an hour from my house. So I went to their hot buffet. I got some cheddar mac and cheese, some mustard Dijon potatoes, some beef stew, and then some creamed garlic spinach. So I'm gonna devour this really quick and then make the hour drive home so I can film the haul of what I got. Hey guys, so I'm home from Whole Foods and I wanted to share everything I got with you. I think I mentioned in the beginning I had a couple gift cards. I had one that was had 100 on it that I had never used, and then I had another one that I had used some of the money on that had like $70 on. So technically all this was free because I used my gift cards and I spent $140. 10 of that was that food I showed you that I grabbed for lunch because I had an hour drive home and I actually got stuck in really bad traffic, so it took me like an hour and a half to get home. So here's everything I got. I think I'll start in this corner and work my way this way. So for football we do a lot of appetizers, so I'm always looking for new things to try. So I got these chicken taquitos. This is the Whole Foods 365 brand, so I'll throw those in the deep freeze. I got a big bag of shrimp. These are uncooked and they are the shell on, so you just have to deshell them and cook them. So I got this because I want to do shrimp tacos one night, and I'll definitely have leftovers as well. My son really likes the Cheerio, multigrain Cheerios, so I decided to try the Whole Foods brand since we're getting low on the multigrain Cheerios. So again, the 365 brand. So hopefully they're just a dupe for the multigrain Cheerios. I did get some alfalfa sprouts. I use these on my husband's sandwiches, and I also put them on salads. If you've watched a lot of my lunch videos, you've probably seen me use these. They're not really that easy to come by. There's only a couple places that I can find them here, so I got these again for Matt's sandwiches and salads. I got a large thing of the Stonyfield Organic Kids strawberry and berry smoothies for my son. These are the little tiny ones. I did get some, this is the Maria and Ricardo's soft corn tortillas because I want to do some corn shrimp tacos next week. So I'm going to use those and fry those up to get them crispy. I got some little baby potatoes. I've seen a few people talk about these before. They're like a healthier version of ramen, and my son does like the actual ramen noodles. What I do is I don't use the flavor packets. I just cook the noodles in a little bit of low sodium chicken broth. But I wanted to try these for him. We're not vegan obviously, but I just wanted to see if he would like these as like a healthier alternative to the noodles that come in the regular ramen noodles. So the brand, if you're curious, is Dr. McDougall's. So yeah, I'm gonna try those out. I just got a couple of them to try out, and if he likes them, I'll try and maybe see if I can order them on Amazon. I got a huge thing of garlic Parmesan. Let me see if I can take it out of the bag one-handed, or at least show you guys. These were on sale. They're the garlic Parmesan chicken wings. So I figured there's a lot of them in here. Our friend Justin usually comes over on Fridays, so I thought I would save this maybe for a Friday night when the weather cooperates, and we can grill these for dinner one night because there are plenty in here. This is probably about 3 pounds. It's got to be about 3 pounds. I got some green beans. Again, the 365 brand, and we'll be able to get 2 dinners out of this for a side. So I got some green beans, I got some baby arugula, I got some beautiful seedless green table grapes. These things are huge, so I'll cut these up this weekend and get them ready for my fruit prep this weekend. Excuse me. I got a big bag of the russet potatoes, just regular old brown potatoes, because I used them all up with my food prep last week. I love this brand. I have for a long time. I remember discovering this brand when they first came out. They've obviously gotten a lot more successful because they have a lot more products now. But anyways, this is the Late July brand organic sea salt thin and crispy tortilla chips, which we love our tortilla chips, and I really like this brand, so I'm excited to try those out. I got some organic strawberry whole milk yogurt for my son to try him out on that. I grabbed some San Pellegrino. This is the Clementine. It's like a sparkling Italian soda, kind of. It's like kind of a seltzer, kind of a soda type of thing. So I grabbed those for me. I got some Kettle brand organic jalapeno chips. They were on sale. I got my husband some cherry vanilla soda. We've had this before and he really likes it. Got a big thing of butternut squash because I'm going to do roasted butternut squash. I'll be able to get 2 separate side dishes out of this, or even just for lunches for myself. I love butternut squash in the fall. I got the Siete brand, grain-free. This is made with avocado oil. These are the ranch, dairy-free, paleo, and vegan tortilla chips to try out. I've been hearing a lot about this brand lately. I got some potato and onion fresh pierogies. So these are not the frozen ones. These are the fresh ones that you just fry up or boil up. I got some cage-free large brown eggs, which I normally get at Walmart, but was at Whole Foods this week. From the bakery, they were just putting out their breads because I went in the morning. This is a cranberry walnut bread. I had a sample of it and I was just hooked. This is going to be great for toasting up in the morning. I thought maybe even French toast on the weekend. And it's a really dense, hearty bread, and I love cranberry walnut in the fall, so I grabbed a loaf of that. I did get us a sweet treat for my husband and I, and Grady will probably like this too. It is the cake bars, and these are the chocolate peanut butter. So I'm really excited to try those. We're getting low on Parmesan cheese, so I grabbed a Parmesan cheese, just a grated one. I got a couple green apples because I want to play around this week with some salads, like some fall harvest salads, so I grabbed those. I got some pretzel rolls for my husband's lunches. Since I'm filming this on a Wednesday, you guys will see this Friday. I'll probably pack him a sandwich, like maybe, I don't know, tomorrow or Friday on these. But yeah, I love pretzel rolls. I think that's everything, guys. I'm not sure. Sometimes I forget an item and I realize it later when I'm editing. But I think I got everything. Again, this haul was $140. That includes the $10 I spent on my lunch. So technically all this here was $130. I love the store. It was the first time I've been in that store because they built it while I was in South Carolina. It was beautiful. I could have stayed in there for hours, but obviously I had to get home. Yeah, if I lived closer to it, I would probably go at least once a month, but since I don't, I'll only go when it's convenient, obviously with the gift card, and I had an appointment down there anyways. It worked out. But yes, this is my haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm going to share with you now my meal plan for the upcoming week. Alright guys, so meal plan for the upcoming week, Sunday the 30th through Saturday, October 6th. Can you believe it? This is the last week of September we're going into. One night I'm going to do the shrimp tacos on those corn tortillas. I'm actually going to fry the tortillas up in a little oil and get them a little crispy. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to do like traditional taco seasoning or try something different, but regardless, I'm sure you guys will see that on an upcoming What's for Dinner video. I'm going to do just a simple arugula salad on the side with some rice. I have yellow rice, I have Spanish rice, just the mixes that I use. So I'll just do one of those with the salad. Probably Friday when Justin comes. Next week we'll do the garlic parm wings on the grill. I'll do some kind of rice or potato on the side, and then we'll do some kind of veggie or salad on the side. I have a pork roast that I found while I was filming my What's in My Fridge and Freezer video. It was all the way at the bottom of my deep freezer, so I'm going to pull it out, thaw it out, and then I'll roast that. Since the weather's cooling down, I don't mind turning the oven on, because what I love in the fall is roasting a pork roast or a chicken and then having all my windows open so it doesn't make the house too hot, and it actually feels really refreshing. So I'll do the pork roast, I'll do some roasted veggies, and then I'll do some mashed potatoes with it. Love making pork roast with veggies and potatoes. My husband's been requesting lasagna, so I think I have everything to make it except ricotta cheese. So I can pick that up when I go to Walmart, you know, probably in the next few days. So I already have the lasagna noodles, I have the beef, I have my homemade sauce that I can thaw. So I'll do some lasagna with some garlic bread. I think I have garlic knots actually in my freezer, so if I don't use those, I'll grab a loaf of crusty Italian bread, and then I'll do a salad on the side. For our no meat night, I'm going to do some zoodles, some zucchini noodles, and then my parents gave me some sun-dried tomatoes they just made, so I'll do like an olive oil and white wine zoodle with sun-dried tomatoes, and then maybe some butternut squash on the side. Doesn't really match up too well with that, but we'll see. And then a salad, so it's a lot of veggies that night. And then one night next weekend, probably Saturday, which I think is the 5th, we possibly are going to be having some friends coming in from out of town. It's also almost our friend Justin's birthday, like it's a couple days before. So I'm pretty sure we're either going to do takeout at our house with some friends here, or if not, then we'll go out with Justin and some friends to celebrate his birthday. But regardless, next Saturday we'll either get takeout or go out. And then of course I have my freebie night, which is one night a week. I don't do these in any particular order, that I can do leftovers, I can make breakfast, I can just whip something up randomly. So I really like having that option for myself, just to have some flexibility. But anyways, that's the meal plan for the week, guys. As always, my review on this planner is always in the description box down below, along with a permanent discount code. They make a great holiday gift, and they also come in a mini size if you're not a fan of the huge one. But anyways, have a great day, a great weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.